Hello, everyone. Welcome to MMO Trends. Today, I'll introduce and review MEXC in detail, a cryptocurrency exchange that's gaining attention from many investors. If you're looking for an exchange with reasonable fees, excellent support, and a wide range of products, let's explore what MEXC has to offer. Established in 2018, MEXC has quickly established its position in the global cryptocurrency market. Known for its high security standards, MEXC strictly adheres to financial regulations and is committed to providing a safe and transparent trading environment for investors. MEXC offers a highly diverse product portfolio, including cryptocurrencies with hundreds of options from Bitcoin and Ethereum to promising altcoins. DeFi projects providing attractive decentralized finance investment opportunities, NFTs allowing participation in the rapidly growing market, and cryptocurrency derivatives with futures contracts to help investors maximize profits. The trading platform on MEXC is robust and modern, with a user-friendly interface suitable for both new and experienced investors. Its mobile app supports trading anytime, anywhere on both iOS and Android, and it includes comprehensive analytical tools to help investors make precise decisions. MEXC stands out with its attractive trading fees, low and competitive costs, fee reductions for using MEXC token, and free deposits, helping users optimize their expenses. MEXC's customer support is professional and responsive, with a 24/7 team ready to address all inquiries via email and live chat. Additionally, MEXC provides extensive educational resources, analytical articles, and online webinars to help investors enhance their knowledge. The advantages of MEXC include low trading fees, benefits when using MEXC token, a robust trading platform, a diverse product portfolio featuring DeFi and NFTs, and professional 24/7 customer service. However, some countries may face access restrictions due to regulatory issues, and its trading volume is not yet as high as some other exchanges. MEXC is an ideal exchange for investors seeking a secure, low-cost, and diverse trading environment, particularly if you're interested in investment opportunities in the DeFi or NFT sectors. MEXC is undoubtedly worth considering. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to share your trading experience with MEXC, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to MMO Trends and turn on notifications so you don't miss any exciting videos. Wishing you successful trading, and see you in the next video.